In today's video, I'll show you on how you can resize your model in Bambu Studio. So in my case, I'm going to be adding a new design right here, which is going to be a simple cube. Now to resize your design, it's going to be at the top of the options that we have. And basically you then want to find this specific option called scale. Now we have two options to do this. Basically you have your uniform scale where everything will scale accordingly. But if you want to scale manually onto your design right here, you can then make sure that the uniform scale is turned off. And let's say that I want to make this into something like a rectangle, I could simply do so. And with this one, you can also manually input your sizing if you want to. You have your X, Y, Z, and as a millimeter. You can also select the world coordinates or object coordinates if you want to. So let's apply the same thing to my dragon right here, which is to click the scale option. And from there, I can either scale by navigating through the icons, or I can scale by using the text bar right here. So let's scale it to 150. And basically from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.